How to create a WhatsApp group. Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps that how you can create a WhatsApp group. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First, open your WhatsApp application on your device. Once you open that, tap on the plus sign. So once you tap on the plus sign, you will find the new group option. Tap on that one, and it will ask you to add members. So you can select the contacts that you want to add to that particular group. So I will add some random people from my contact list to the group. So once you selected the people, you can add actually more than 1,000 people in the group that allows on WhatsApp. So once you selected the number of people, then you need to tap on the arrow at the bottom. So once you tap on that one, now you need to select a group name. So I will name it family just for the sake of the video. So once you do that, if you want to enable disappearing messages, you can enable that one. There are some group permission if you tap on the settings here. So edit group settings, send messages, add other members, approve new members. If you enable this one, then everybody will send you a request and then you can either approve or disapprove that one. So once you are okay with everything, then you need to just tap on this tick mark at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on that one, and it say the group has been created. Now I can invite people to the group, but for now I will not. If you tap on here, you can see the members and all the details of the group as well. So guys, this is how you can create a WhatsApp group. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.